Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best 32mm bases is probably one of the most crucial elements for any Warhammer 40k miniature. They provide the foundation for your models, impacting both their aesthetic appeal and their stability on the tabletop. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of 32mm bases, exploring different materials, designs, and how they can elevate your miniatures from good to truly great. Let's find the perfect base for your army. Number 5. Evemodel MB4 32mm round plastic model bases. These are brand new model bases from Evemodel. They are perfect for your gaming miniatures or wargames. Each base has a diameter of 32mm, or 1.3 inches. This size is ideal for many popular tabletop games. The bases are 4mm thick, providing a sturdy foundation for your models. This ensures they stand securely on the table. You'll receive a package containing 100 pieces. This gives you plenty of bases for your entire collection. They are made of high-quality plastic. This material ensures the bases are both durable and lightweight. What we like. This product offers a generous 100 bases, perfect for large armies or multiple projects. It provides excellent value for your money. If you're building a massive force or need bases for various squads, you should consider this one. What people say. The bases are perfectly sized for Warhammer 40k miniatures. They are well made and sturdy, providing a stable platform for the models. The design is clean and simple, allowing the focus to remain on the miniatures themselves. Number 4. Evemodel MB4 3240 PCS round plastic model bases. These are brand new model bases from Evemodel. They are perfect for your gaming miniatures and wargames. Each base has a thickness of 4mm, providing a sturdy foundation for your models. This ensures they are stable on the tabletop. The diameter of each base is 32mm, or 1.3 inches. This size is ideal for many popular miniatures. You'll receive a package containing 40 pieces. It's a great value for your hobby needs. These bases are made of durable plastic. They are designed to withstand regular use. What we like. This product provides a good quantity of bases for smaller projects or specific units. It's ideal for starting a new army or expanding an existing one. If you're looking for a manageable number of bases without overspending, you should consider this. What people say. The bases are perfectly sized for Warhammer 40k miniatures. They are well made and sturdy, providing a solid foundation for the models. The design is clean and simple, allowing the focus to remain on the miniatures themselves. Number 3. 32mm textured plastic round bases, 120 count. These bases are designed with a textured surface. This texture ensures the best possible grip for your models and miniatures, preventing slippage. Each base is precisely 32mm or 1.26 inches in diameter. They stand at 4mm or 0.157 inches in height, with a depth of 2.75mm or 0.108 inches. These bases are ideal for wargames and tabletop games. They provide a stable and visually appealing foundation for your miniatures. You'll receive a generous supply of 120 bases in this package. It's enough to get you started on multiple projects or to build out your existing collection. With these bases, your models will be ready for action. The textured surface and precise dimensions make them a great choice for any tabletop game. What we like. These bases feature a textured surface, ensuring superior adhesion for your miniatures. This texture provides a better grip for glue and paints. If you are looking for bases that provide a strong bond for your models and enhance the overall look, you should consider this. What people say. The bases are perfectly sized for the models. The bases are well made and sturdy. They are great for basing miniatures. Number 2. Mercury 32mm round plastic bases, 20 PCS. These plastic bases are made of high-quality plastic materials. They are strong and resilient, ensuring they can withstand the rigors of gameplay. It's your choice in a mini model of wargame and miniatures. You can use these bases to enhance the look of your miniatures. The outer packing of this product is an OPP bag. This packaging ensures the bases are well protected during shipping and storage. The package includes 20 high-quality plastic bases. This provides you with plenty of bases to get started with your projects. Each base is approximately 32 by 29 by 4.2 mm, 1.26 by 1.14 by 0.17 inches. They are the perfect size for a variety of miniatures. What we like. These bases are made of high-quality plastic, ensuring they are strong and resilient. The material is designed to withstand the rigors of gaming. If you are looking for bases that will last and provide a stable foundation for your miniatures, you should consider this. What people say. The bases are perfectly sized for Warhammer 40k miniatures. They are well made and sturdy, providing a solid foundation for the models. The design is clean and simple, allowing the focus to remain on the miniatures themselves. Number 1. Games Workshop Warhammer 40k Callidus Assassin. Today, we're diving into the world of Warhammer 40,000 to explore the Callidus Assassin. This figure is a master of infiltration and deception, a deadly operative in the Imperium's arsenal. The Callidus Assassin is known for their ability to shapeshift and blend into any environment. This allows them to get close to their targets undetected, making them a formidable threat. Equipped with specialized weaponry and training, this assassin is a force to be reckoned with. They excel at eliminating key figures, ensuring the Imperium's dominance. This miniature captures the essence of the Callidus Assassin's stealth and precision. The details on the figure showcase the intricate design and quality of Games Workshop. Whether you're a seasoned Warhammer 40k player or a collector, this figure is a great addition to any collection. It represents the best of the Imperium's covert operations. What we like. This is a character from the Warhammer 40k universe. It is a great addition to any collection. If you are a fan of Warhammer 40k and want to add a unique character to your army, you should consider this. What people say. These bases are great for my Warhammer 40k miniatures. They are the perfect size for 32mm models. The detail on the bases is fantastic. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.